Hey guys, I'm from It's Energy. That's me, Jen from TNT. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a very simple grated coconut chutney. You know, in Trinidad we have all these different pepper, all these different sorts of things that we need to complement our dishes or add to our dishes to add more flavor to it. Grated coconut chutney is just one of those things, and you need to check out this video to see how easy it is. So this is what one of the coconut look like. A lot of people would prefer to use this, coconut when they use making kalaloo or like pilau and curries. Today we're actually going to be making grated coconut chutney with it. Like, so normally for this, there's liquid inside of it, and what you're supposed to do is break it, drain out the liquid. You can keep that and use that for coconut milk depending on what you want to do with it. But drain out the milk already, the liquid already, and now we're going to be scraping out these part out the shell, and we're going to be roasting the flesh of the coconut to make our roasted coconut chutney. Ooh, that's what it looks like. But it's something I remember since I was small, mommy making or breaking the coconuts, and you have to steal a piece of it. You cannot use coconut without eating a piece of it at all. Alright, so we have our coconut cut into pieces, and it's just about roasting it. Now if you had like a gas stove with the flames, you could roast it, but electric will do. So you're just going to put it on over the burner and just roast them all. Alright, so you don't need to get all fully brown, right? It's just a matter of getting bits and pieces of it to get that roasted flavor on the coconut. And now we're going to have to put it in the food processor with all the seasoning and your pepper and everything else. So your next step will be to just chip it up into small pieces, because we're going to be putting it in a handy dandy food processor that everybody should have in their kitchen. Comes in very handy. Or you're going to have to grate it by hand, but food processor for these days. And now we're going to be chopping up a little bit. So this is what it's looking like right now. You want to make sure that you do it until it's like fine. And now we're going to be adding the garlic and the shadabeni, pepper, salt. And we have like 2 cloves of garlic we added, and then we have like 8 or 9 shadabeni leaves. And the pepper, well, you could adjust the pepper according to your preference. But this looks like it would be like a whole pepper putting in here. Sprinkle in your salt. And just put it back on a little bit again. Alright, so this is what grated coconut chutney looks like. So this is just very simple. Get yourself a coconut, you drain out the liquid from it, you roast it a little bit, you put it in food processor, you add your shadabeni, your pepper, your garlic, and your salt. And this is coconut chutney. Grated coconut chutney that we're going to be enjoying with some curry, duck today, dal, rice, and karaili. You can check out the other video I did on the karaili. All cooking with mommy, because these are new things to me. I've eaten it a million times, but cooking it first time. So how simple it was. Anybody can make it. I didn't realize it was that easy, to be honest with you. And I know it's absolutely amazing. And I had the best teacher, the mother, best cook in the world, So thanks so much for watching. Try out the grated coconut chutney. I tell you, it's so easy, you would not even believe it. So thanks so much for watching, and look out for more videos to come. Look out for the karaili video I did as well. We ate the grated coconut chutney with karaili. I also have a curry duck recipe up on video. I have dal up as well. So you can check out all those. I'll link all of those down below for you. And stay tuned. See you again in the next video.